Hi everyone, we're going to look at the half treble stitch today, known as the half double stitch in American terminology. I'm going to work this sample using the traditional turning chain method. So for a more detailed explanation on turning chains, to explore the alternate method, head on over to my video on turning chains. There's a bit more detailed information there for you. So for the traditional turning chain, a half treble needs an extra 2 chains to get the height for our stitch. So we're going to work into the 3rd chain from the hook. So we wrap our yarn over our hook, go into that 3rd chain, yarn over again and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over your hook and pull through all 3 loops, and that's your half treble crochet. So moving into the next chain of our foundation row, yarn over your hook, through that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3. The first row completed of our half treble stitch. Now we're working a traditional turning chain, so we chain 2 and turn our work. Now our turning chain takes up the space of our first stitch on the next row, so we're not going to work into this stitch. We're going to wrap our yarn and go into the 2nd stitch of the previous row, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 3. Now even though we've just worked 3 stitches, our turning chain, as I said, takes up the space of our first stitch. That's now counted as 1. So we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. That's your half treble